Appium. So I'm opening my notepad. Here I have listed the steps how you can install the Appium. So first of all, we can install the Appium by using two methods, with Node.js and with Appium Desktop Client. So install the Appium by using Node.js. We need to download the Node.js and we need to install it. To download Node.js, we can move to this particular URL, nodejs.org/en/download. So I'm moving to this particular URL. So this is the URL. Okay, here we will get three options. One is Windows installer and Mac OS installer and source code. Depends upon your OS, you can download the corresponding version. So for Windows, by default they will download the version by clicking on this Windows installer. So that is, we can choose the bit option also from here, 32-bit or 64-bit. So by clicking on Windows installer, this will automatically download the file. As like every other software, we can install the software by opening the particular file. Okay, once you install, then you can check the version of the particular node. Okay, for installing the version, and we need to confirm the node is installed properly. So for that we can check the node version. So come to the cmd command tab. Here we can check the version by using this command, node -v or node --, version also will work. Okay, as part of the particular file, we are already installing the npm also. npm-v will show the particular version. So in my system, both npm and node is installed now. Okay, once we install node, we can install the appium by using this command, npm install -g appium. Okay, can copy this command and again come to the cmd tab. Okay, I'm running as administrator. You can run as your machine also. So here we can paste the particular command, that is npm install -g appium, that we can write. So in my system this is already installed. So if we are giving these steps, that will install the appium. Updated one package it's showing because it's already installed. To check the version, appium-v will show you the version. So 1.2.1 is already installed. So to install the appium-doctor, we can use this step, npm install appium-doctor -g. This will also install the appium-doctor. Once we install the appium-doctor, we can run the command appium-doctor. So this will show you so what all the things we have installed and what all the things, if you are missing something, that will show. So in your system, if you are not settled the Android home and Java home yet, it will show that this Android home and Java home is missing and all. So we can do the things in coming steps. Okay, I'm clearing my screen. So next thing we're going to see is how we can install Android Studio. So for that, you can go to the application and you can Android Studio download. So this will go to this site, Android Studio site, and from that we can download the Android Studio. As like similar other applications, you can download the Android Studio. Once you download it, you can open the Android Studio. From there, we will get an option configure. From the configure screen, you can go to the SDK manager. In this SDK manager, you will able to see which Android version and all is installed. If it is not installed, you can click and you can apply this. This automatically will install. So here is Android 11. It is already installed. And the important thing is Android SDK location. We will get the Android home location. We can copy the Android home location. So I'm clicking on Control A. So here we can come to the control panel, and in the systems tab I'm typing system. So here we'll get the option edit system environment variable. From there you need to go navigate to environment variable. So in the environment variable box you'll able to see the system variable section. Here we need to add the Android home variable that is already updated. So you can click on new button and you can give the Android home underscore home and paste the location. Okay, I need to paste the location which we got it from here. I need to control C, control A and control C. Come here and we can paste it over here. Okay, OK button. So here it's already there. I'm not clicking OK. I just click cancel. So apart from this, we need to do one more thing. Come to this path location and edit. Here also we need to add the location by clicking on new button. We can add the location and add platform tools also a part of this platform hyphen tools. So this is also already available here, so I'm not adding this. You can add this thing and click on OK and click on OK. So one more thing, if in your machine if Java home is not settled already, that also we need to do that. Come to environment variable. Here you can see one more variable, that is Java home. If it is not there, you need to click on new and you need to add the Java home also, Java underscore home, and you can give the Java path over here. So it is usually will occur in C program files, Java and Java version. If you are installed Java 11, you will get this file. If you are installed some other Javas, the corresponding JDK folder will be there. That location you need to give here and click on OK. So then the major part is over. Android home we have settled and Java home also we have settled, and in the path we have mentioned the platform tools location. Okay, so I'm clicking on OK and here also clicking on OK. So this we have opened the SDK. I'm closing this and come to the Android Studio back again and click on the configure button and we can run the AVD manager. This is an Android virtual device. Okay, the virtual devices we can see over here. So what all the virtual device which is available. If you need to add one more virtual device, click on the create virtual device and choose the corresponding version. So which phone you want, a list of phones which is available here. You can add which one is required. There are a lot of options. You can give an Android version. So currently I have installed Pixel 4 XL, that is 6.3 inch screen size. And click on next button and click on finish. That will install the particular thing. Okay, when it's come back you will able to see the installed device over here. You can click on play button. Okay, that will start the AVD in the background. Okay, so the AVD is up on here, so we can see the applications and all installed in this particular emulator. Okay, to check the emulator status which is available in our system, come back to the command screen and here we can type ADB devices. Okay, so ABD devices is the command which will give the list of device attached. So here one emulator 5554 is attached, so you will get the device. If you are connecting a real device also, that all the devices attached to the device, it will be visible over here. Okay.